Sophia, what sound does the piggy make? No, it doesn't say seesaw. Brianna, what sound does the piggy make? What's the piggy say? What's the piggy say? Yeah. What's the piggy say? Sophia, what's the kitty say? Meow. What does the doggy say? Woof woof. What's the cow say? You hear that, right, Aaron? What does the ducky say? Or actually, what does the birdie say? Good job. Tweet, tweet. What's the froggy say? Ribbit. What does the horsey say? Neigh. Yeah. What else is there? I don't know. Careful, baby. What's the birdie say? What's the birdie say? Yeah. What's the monkey say? You're a monkey. You're a monkey. You're a monkey. You're a pig. Tell Daddy. Aaron, she called you a pig.
You're a pig. You're a pig. You're a pig.
Actually, you're both wrong. This is a pig. Sophia, what does the birdie say? What does the kitty say? What's the doggy say? Yeah. What does the cow say? Good job. What does the monkey say? Not oink oink moo. It says ooh ooh ah. What does the birdie say? Yep. What's the froggy say? Ribbit. Yeah, good job. What's the cow say? Yeah. What about the piggy? What's the piggy say? Oink. You kids are so smart. Sophia, 1. 1, 2. Alright, bye. Bye.
No, please subscribe.
Bye, baby.